What is up, guys? Bonjour, this is Julian, the Frenchman who makes pronunciation videos on YouTube. Yes, pronunciation videos, and this is interesting to me as this word that we all use actually comes from French, and being French myself and making French word pronunciation videos, it was an interesting finding for me. I hope it is one for you too. So we are looking at how to pronounce this word, which is, as we all know, essential to human life. But rather than just telling you how to say this word, and we'll get to it in a second, I thought I'd use these 45 seconds you're giving this video to add a little extra value and give you something about it you probably didn't know. The origin of the word seems to come from Latin sextus, you know, like in section, so a word meaning to divide. And from there it became sexus in Latin, which of course is what differentiates female from male. From sexus the word evolved to become sexe in French, en français, and then it moved to English as the word we all know today, sex. So how do you say this word in English or American? Well, it's pretty straightforward. Sex. Pretty straightforward. Here are more pronunciation videos if you feel like hanging around on the channel. Cheers!